Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Do you like making your own products or simply believe that in general less ingredients are better? Well, I've got a 2-ingredient toothpaste recipe for you that keeps your teeth feeling smooth, squeaky clean, and costs next to nothing. It works for me, and maybe it can work for you too. With that being said, let's get to work. This one's super easy. Your 2 ingredients are coconut oil and baking soda, and essential oils if you really want to spice things up. You need a bowl to mix it in, and a spoon to mix it with. So the recipe is even easier. It's 50-50. I'm doing a 1/4 cup of baking soda to a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. When you get good, you won't even have to measure it. You could just dump them in and do it to feel. Once your ingredients are in, I use the back side of a spoon to mash it around. The texture will gradually change from a mix of powder and oil to kind of like a dry flour and eventually into a creamy toothpaste-like texture. Now you could add your oils in. If you want that cool minty freshness, go for spearmint or peppermint. I just spoon it into a jar and use it right out of there. Dunk the brush in and you're good to go. The recipe is salty because of the baking soda, and I adjusted to it really quick, but some people add stevia or xylitol to sweeten it, but I never bothered. That's it, homemade toothpaste. Thanks for checking out this video. Like if you're skeptical of fluoride, and subscribe if you're just cheap as hell. You can also find my live streams on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I gotta get back to work.